it to play the gumot?
It's not tough, like only you have to know the rhythm.
Okay. And how do you manipulate it with your hand? There is a opening that side also which needs to be covered. Would you cover the opening that side and open and shut that end? Yeah.
No.
No.
One side you have to hold like this.
Okay.
For Mando, you have to play like this.
Okay. And for what? And that is used for what?
For that, the folk group of this,
I see.
the skin, they play like this for weddings. And
Okay.
There's different thing in Mando.
Control sound. So mandos you will not use that.
No, this no.
Normally use it in two hands.
In
We play with two hands.
two hands.
For the this, like if you're going to hold it, then you can play only with one hand.
Yeah. So can you demonstrate some beats and show us? This is a mando beat.
It's Mando Dulpat.
Mando Dulpot beat.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Mando beat. Mando.
Mando.
then what are the beats?
Yeah. Mando Dulpat. Then Dulpat.
It's faster, much faster.
Yeah, faster.
How many years old would it be? This instrument? Not this instrument, but you know, the gumot as an instrument. Thousands, hundreds of years old,
From beginning of Mando.
or much before the mando, predating the mando.
Yeah.
And how difficult is it to maintain it?
It's difficult. You have to keep means you have to take care of that.
Is the skin of a monitor lizard?
Yeah. The skin of this one. And
Of
it
the
is-
guard.
Yeah, we have to. It is tight.
Tight.
Yeah, if it is loose, then it gives
Sound is wrong.
sound wrong. If it's tight, and it's giving good sound.
Your name is?
Albino Fernandez.
Sorry?
Albino Fernandez.
Albino from
Consua Cortali.
Cortali. Thank you.